Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you Instagram Reels something went wrong. Firstly, make sure that the app is updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Instagram. To the right side of Instagram, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. So here you can see our app is fully updated. If updating does not work, so the next method is resetting the app. Go to the settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Let's tap on see all apps. On the search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear storage. It will reset your app and all the box of your app will be cleared out. So the next method is uninstalling the app and again reinstalling the app, and this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching.